technology in the professional audio-video world right now is DirectView LED. DirectView LED is not new, it's been around for years, but modern manufacturing processes have made it more affordable and accessible for just about any venue. Have a large space to fill? Fill it with LED. Have a unique space or design idea? Fill it with LED. Want to start shooting film and video Mandalorian style on an XR stage or in a video cube? Only LED can offer this flexibility and capability. LED can be used to build just about any creative idea out there, but how you use DirectView LED is only half the story. In fact, one of the most important decisions to be made in choosing LED is what's behind the wall. How you hang or install LED is very important to the life and maintenance of your wall. And today we're going to look at Draper, a company that has been in the AV industry since literally the beginning. See, in 1957, they started making projection screens for schools, which sort of makes them the original members of the AV club. Okay, so let's tear this wall down and see what's behind it. LED video walls are built from small cubes of LEDs called cabinets. Now these cabinets are mounted side by side and then stacked on top of each other until you fill the space. Now a poorly installed video wall can't be hidden. See, if the wall behind it's not flat or if the floor is not plumb, then these wavy lines are going to appear in your video due to the pixels in each cube not lining up perfectly. So to make every installation perfect, a framework must be installed on the wall that the LED cabinets will attach to. And choosing the right mounting system is very important and can be a very large part of the cost and time it takes to not only mount the LED, but maintain it and support them over the years. This is the foundation mounting system from Draper. Draper poured over 100 years of innovation and precision design into an LED video wall mounting system specifically designed for AV integrators. The goal is to make installing the wall quick with no cutting and zero wavy lines. Foundation features Z-axis wall adjustments and vertical rail adjuster to quickly and precisely make the system plumb. The plumb alignment pins allow the integrator to have a consistent line across the entire structure to ensure a flat, even installation. LED walls are very delicate and have the greatest potential for damage during the installation. Draper designed panel mount slots and spring-loaded clips to make sure every cabinet connects with the least amount of contact between panels, ensuring a perfect fit with zero damage. Perfectly aligned walls and no wavy lines every time. Now, no wall is complete without the finishing touches though. The foundation system trim kit is designed to mount quickly with magnets and alignment pins, giving the installation a clean and complete look with easy removal for service when needed. Installing DirectView LED walls can be complicated, but with Draper's foundation mounting system, integrators save time, save money, and ensure their walls look great for years to come. So if you're considering DirectView LED for your next client, time to consider how you'll hold it on the wall and have a look at Draper. All right, that's today's show. For more questions or to get a quote on DirectView LED walls, mounts, call, click, or come visit us at JB&A. And we'll see you on the next episode.